is Joaquin Fuentes for J&B Production. I'm here in the park in Dallas, Texas. Today we have very strong winds. I'm here with, what is your name, please?
Simone.
With Simone. How are you doing, sir?
Good.
Thank you for the interview. My name is Joaquin Fuentes. I am an actor and reporter for J&B Production. Can you tell me a little bit what you think about the winds that we have this afternoon, today?
It's completely erratic. It's just one of those things that I don't think anybody expected. Kind of makes me a little more empathetic to things that we all don't really experience often. Kind of like Puerto Rico. I was out of power for maybe 5, 7 hours. Feels like eternity, and there people have been out of power for weeks.
So you don't know what to expect from Mother Nature sometimes.
No, she's tricky.
Yes, but what we experienced today was totally out of common. It's something I have never seen here in Dallas.
No.
I've been living here for about 20 years. This is one of the first experiences that I have lived in this big city. Look at the root of the trees. Have totally knocked the tree down. As you can see, my friends, you can see the root of the tree is completely knocked off the ground. It's something I have never ever seen in this city. Something incredible how Mother Nature works. So, like, we cannot take things for granted. We always have to be very appreciative for everything that we have. Like you say, in Puerto Rico, they experienced a big tsunami or what it was that they had a few years ago with this water coming into the city. So, always be grateful for what we have and always be prepared for what Mother Nature has prepared for us. And thank you, sir, for the interview. This is Joaquin Fuentes live from Dallas, Texas for J&B Production. So long, my friends. Bye-bye.